So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove steering wheel and airbag Ford Focus MK3. So from 2011 till 2015 I want to show that, and I'm going to show how to replace the clock odometer. So these with big screen tend to break, so go out, becomes white or even black like this when it's not. So I have on the channel how to remove just the display. I'm not sure if I did how to remove just the clock, but let's start. First, what you want to do, you want to pull it up so you get a little bit more space. For the clock you have to remove this bad boy over here, this plastic, and that goes again with this one over here. So turn the clock around, use your screwdriver, push up, so this side and the other side as well, so like this, and then you can take it out easily. So you will need to do this if you are taking out the steering wheel or the clock, doesn't matter. So for the clock, let's start with that. We have just two screws over here, so these are Torx 25, I believe. So those two take out. So take them out. One and the other as well. So like that. You don't need to use the screwdriver, but it's kinda faster. So take them out. These are the tools that you're removing. So as you can see, if you are putting it all back, try to save them, and after that it's just pull on each side a little bit, so like that, a little bit over here, a little bit there. Should not be that hard. Okay, maybe with one hand it's not so simple, could be easier with two hands, but so like that. We have here one electricity plug, probably just clicked over here like this. So click and pull this bad boy out. Let me show you a little bit closer up. So there is this. So same goes in. So you click it over here. So I say over here, you clicked and you pull this cover and it goes out like that. Nothing all the way too fancy on this one. So the plug is out. So basically that's the clock. As you can see here, the plug, and these are the same since, I don't know, 2011, almost, I believe even 2018. It's the same clock, at least for the diesel, not sure for the benzene, for the petrol ones. So that's the clock. Fairly easy job. Two screws, one plug, and these two. So now check out the. So I want to show you. It's these are kinda not that easy, but let me try to show you where you need to put in your screwdriver. I do have special tools for those, but still, if you don't have special tools, so as you can see, I'm not sure if you're gonna be see. So basically it's either over here or just over here. So MK3.5, so the facelift has these things a little bit better, but on MK3 it's a little bit harder, to be honest. So if I remember correctly, it's just like that, or it's from the top. Let me show. Yeah, from down up, and it should be possible to pull you need to hear that clicking sound. So the best way, push a little bit there. It's gonna be a little harder with just one hand, but so you go from down, click and push up. When you push up over here, you wanna pull this bad boy a little bit up. So you click it over here from down, pull up, click up, pull up, and push a little bit out. Same goes from the other side, because you need to do it on both sides. So over here, you just need to figure out the right spot to pull it up. So this one clicked, but with one hand it's kind of hard. So once you pull them both out, then there is some electricity to take out some plugs. So like this one for the airbag. And before you take these out, probably best solution would be to take the battery out. So plus minus whatever, so just in case you don't wanna blow it up for no reason at all. So to take these out, click over here, click from this side, so both sides you click and you pull up. So maybe a little bit of a help with the screwdriver. So this side click, and yeah, like that. So that's one, and another one is over here. So for this one, probably gonna need a screwdriver. You just push either side, either from here a little bit or on the top over here. So on the top. So maybe like this, a little bit from inside. A smaller screwdriver would be a better choice as well if you have one of those. So like that. And that's the airbag goes out. Now let's take out, that's 24, but before you take that out, you need to remove this over here. It's on the coil from the steering wheel, and that's that. You need 24 for over here. It's nothing always too fancy. So I turn it around till the end. Rest, I believe, can go with hand. So before you take that out, I would say put it straight with the wheel and mark where it's the middle, because later on you could have problems. Like so, now it's here, that's the middle. We took it out, mark it somewhere about here and here. So let me show you. I have a pen. So just mark somewhere like this. So when you put your steering wheel back, you know it's up like that. So I'll try not to move it a lot. So yeah, that's also one how to do it. Now let's put the airbag in back, because I want to show you from the back how it's done. It's easier to show like that. So let me click it like that. This one goes over here. So now it's always from the back side. So what you want to need to do, this over here, let me show this this pin over here holds it. So what you want to do, as I said, go from here and you click it there, so like that. So over here from back to there, same goes on this side. Yeah, now the airbag, it's out and you can pull it from the back. So I hope this will help you in your replacing for whatever reason. I know these tend to break. There was a recall when they came out, but this one is kind of in good condition. So yeah, that's about that for this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and if you have anything else that you need for MK3, I'm gonna dismantle this car, so yeah, write in comments and we can do it probably. So thank you and see you next one.